Well, looky what the weather had to offer this morning. I haven't exited my bedroom yet, but this is what I'm seeing. I think I'm going to see Mount Everest today. Pretty cool. Okay, so this is day 3, leaving Lukla, and today we're staying in Namche Bazzar, but we're taking a little hike up over this ridge. Is a hospital that Sir Edmund Hillary built, and so we're going to take a look at that. And it is a beautiful, beautiful clear day, and today should be the day that I get to see Mount Everest. So. Alright, so I'm standing on a runway at the top of the city of Namche Bazzar, and it's very bizarre. There's horses grazing on the runway. It's rubble, mostly, and rock. Loose rock, and this isn't for too many passenger planes. This is like resupply, and you'll see planes coming in and out every so often, but I haven't seen one, but that's what I hear. But look at the view. It is incredible. That's Mount Everest behind us. There's this big peak here, and then 1, 2, and then 3. There's a bunch of clouds coming off the summit. Somebody's standing on that right now. If they were, it'd be a windy day. Pretty amazing. First time view. It's a good milestone moment, definitely. Okay, now this is really interesting. These are sheets of plywood, and these are rebar. A bunch of it. Strapped together on the backs of porters. Probably the guys over here who are carrying it. And they carry it all the way from Lukla, all the way here. It's really incredible. You probably couldn't even walk with it, 100 yards. Yet these guys are building entire villages off their own backs. And you'll see these all over the place. Here's one that's 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets. 4 sheets thick. And then these are prayer stones etched I don't know how many years ago, but they constantly renew and keep piling them up and adding to the piles. It's interesting. So this is Hillary's hospital. Beware of altitude kills. Go slowly. Avoid altitude sickness. And then these are each symptoms. Like if you feel this way. Yeah, that doesn't look very appetizing. Probably eat bad flowers, maybe. Drink a lot of water. Wash your hands. A lot of children's stuff. Gotta study the book. So we're walking through the village. We just left the Hillary Hospital. Apparently there's a school here you can take a look at too, and really in particular there's a shrine to the Yeti skull. You pay some money, you can get in there and take a look at an ancient skull of the Yeti. We'll see. I hear it's pretty sort of comical, but I'll get to see the Yeti skull.
All these old books, and this is a new book.
The color is brighter.
Yeah.
And every year they take them down, open them, and write a new book.
New book.
The Lama writing.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. I like big dogs. Like that big dog.
Zopyok.
Yeah.
That's the word I was looking for, and Ronnie was saying a different word yesterday.
Yeah.
Zopyok.
Is that like a yak area?
No, this is the yak cow.
This is a low.
Oh, this is
level.
that type of cow.
This is going to look like.
How can you tell the difference? Just size?
Oh, you'll see
Yeah,
it.
size or hairs, everything is different.
Everything is different.
Yeah.
Now this is the Kumjung High School. So if you were a budding youth in this village, you'd come here every day and study what you need to study. And then when you go out for recess, you would walk out this gate. You'd hang out with all the yaks. Well, I've got some good news and I've got some bad news. The good news is Matt got back to Indonesia okay, and he visited the hospital, and he does not have dengue fever. The bad news is worse. He has typhoid. I can't think negative, I have to think positive, but the transmission of typhoid is through bodily fluids and sharing water. I do not think that I shared any of his water, although I could have quite possibly done it before I realized he was not feeling well. You never know, you know? He's a good friend. It was just kind of the way we were hanging out and traveling around. The incubation period on this is 1 to 2 weeks. It's going to be a nerve-wracking 1 to 2 weeks for me. On top of it, I feel like I gotta kind of self-quarantine myself, not share any food or water with any of my partners.